Hi friends, I'm going to talk with you in this immigration video about case processing times for those who have a green card. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. Friends, thanks for sharing my videos with your friends and your family. I get calls from people almost every day who say, oh, I've seen you on YouTube because so-and-so shared your video, or I just happened to find you on YouTube. They then want to meet with me, which I love to do. I love to meet with people to talk about their immigration issue. Continue to share these videos. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so today. I very much appreciate it. And let's just motivate me, okay? Let's just motivate me to continue to get in front of this camera and shoot videos for you. In this video, I'm going to speak about how long it takes for someone who has a green card to petition for his spouse and children. But let me just say this. In my last video on U.S. citizens who are petitioning for their adult children, someone commented on YouTube and said, you're acting as if you're the decision maker and it actually may take much longer. And so I saw that comment and I thought, oh, not a nice comment, but let me address that issue here. Yes, in fact, I am not the decision maker. The government, the U.S. government decides on these petitions. And so the time frame that I'm giving you in these case processing times videos are estimates based on the visa bulletin that the government issues each month. Now, it can be your petition can go through sooner or it can take a little bit longer depending on the case, right? Because as you know, for example, if you mess it up the first time, right? Let's say you file the I-130 family petition for your spouse and you've left out critical information, or you may have misrepresented something, or something just wasn't right. You forgot to include your marriage certificate. And so those kinds of problems slow the process down. As it relates to the approval of the I-130, anything can happen during the course of filing that can slow things down for you. That's why you want to be careful and make sure you get it right the first time. So let's just dive right in, and let's, you know that I'm a YouTube girl now, so I'm on YouTube. I'm in the comments. Go ahead and comment below and let me know what your thoughts are about this video. If you are a green card holder and you're petitioning for a family member, you should know that you can only petition for your spouse and your children who are under 21 and those who are over 21. However, if your child, your adult child is married, you cannot petition for him or her. Also, you cannot petition for your parent nor your sibling. The government, our law is very specific about that. So you should know it's only your spouse and it is only your children who are unmarried. For those who are petitioning for their spouse and child who are under the age of 21, they are placed in the second preference category, the F2A category. Now, based on the current visa bulletin for October 2018, which is when this video is filmed, children and spouses, children under the age of 21 and spouses are waiting on average, I would say about 2 years. And here's why. The government is processing petitions that were received or with a priority date of August 2016. So those are those in the F2A category. If you're petitioning for an adult child, unmarried child, an adult unmarried child over the age of 21, you're now in the F2B category. The government is working on petitions that were filed as of November 2011. Which means you're looking at maybe a 7-year wait. It could be less or it could be a little bit longer. This is not a precise, there's no science to this. It could be faster than that or it can take a bit longer. Now, the dates that I'm giving you in this video are dates that the government says that if we receive your petition as of this date, What this means is that you can begin the visa application process with the National Visa Center, or the NVC, which is part of the State Department. That's what this means. So you start that visa application process and you submit the documents that they ask for, like the affidavit of support and some other materials. Then you get an interview date at the embassy. You go on your interview, and before that you do a medical examination. And so it's a process. It's a process that you're now entering into with the State Department. And you go on that interview with the U.S. Embassy, and if they find no other reason to deny you for a green card, they will issue you an immigrant visa, which will allow you to travel to the United States. And there you go. You have your green card. I hope you find this video helpful. Again, the case processing times are based on the F2A and F2B category for a green card holder who is petitioning for his spouse and children under the age of 21, and then those who are over 21 who are unmarried. Friends, stay tuned for my next video about case processing times and adjustment of status. You don't want to miss that one. Bye-bye.